My dear friends, welcome to Trending Tube. Friends, my name is Biswa, and in this video I'm going to show you a unboxing or a review of the IKEA clock basically. So the name itself is you can say it's TROMMA, TROMMA, and the price that it basically cost is around $3. So you can imagine in your country it might be around $3. So in India it is around 222 rupees, so equivalent to $3. And it is quite good. I mean, from the look itself you will be able to see. So in $3 you will be able to see good quality or good clock basically. And it has a Quartz battery operating that machine here. So Quartz is considered as a good machine which basically lasts very long, and it is made in China. We have to use one battery LR6 AA size, and let me quickly open it and then we can see it. It was a little difficult to open, but yeah, finally I opened it. Yeah. So see, this one came out of the wall clock, and you are able to see the numbers on the wall clock. So the numbers are having holes on it, right? So these holes will be acting as a contrast to the background. So if your background is black, it will be visible very clearly. The numbers will be visible very clearly. If the background itself is a white, so see the number 12, it is different as compared to other numbers, right? Because I just kept the white color behind this number. So see the other numbers. Other numbers are visible very clear, but 12 is not clear because the background is white. So you can place this watch in any of the walls which has a contrast color than white. So you can use it on the gray color background, you can use it on the sky color, yellow color, other backgrounds, not under the white. Okay, don't place this wall clock on top of the white wall. It looks pretty good. And let me put a battery here. So this is the battery that I am using right now, DURACELL rechargeable battery. So if you want the purchase, I'll definitely give this purchase link on the description section. You can purchase it from Amazon, or maybe if you are watching from India, you can purchase it from FLIPKART as well. The name itself is TROMMA. Okay, so QC pass 2023, and this is Quartz. Okay, so let me put the battery in it. Yeah, basically I was trying in the different direction, so I guess it started working. It does not have any second clock, so second hand, so it is very difficult to check whether it's working or not, but we can check. Maybe, yeah, seems it is working fine. Okay, and we also get some documentation paper. So this has a lot of documentation in it in different languages, and I know that nobody of us wants to read through all these things, but this is for the people who all are not aware of installing and maybe uninstalling the items. So they provide these items, and this is for the price tag and other related items, manufacturing, date of manufacturing, place of manufacturing, all these details. Even we don't need this. So I hope my background is black right now. I am on the black glass, so you are able to see the numbers very clearly. So this is a good item under $3, so you can definitely consider this while going to IKEA store. Definitely do purchase it. I'll provide the link in the description section for the battery and for the clock. You can definitely go ahead and purchase it. Thanks friend, thank you for watching. Take care.